Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you some of the other pieces that came in when I did the haul. I hope you enjoyed the haul video and also enjoyed the painting my bathroom. So now guys, you know it's time for the decorating. But before I do that video, I am going to show you some of the things that I was doing, like many projects that I was doing. Like I put up the light switches. I need to go and get two more to do for the living room before I get started in the living room. I want all of that done. And also I did the one in the hallway, and I did one in my bedroom. And the bedroom I won't show yet until I get all of that done, but I will show the one in the hallway, and I will show the one in my living room that I'm going to do. But I needed two more, so I'm here at Home Depot to get two more. So I'm hoping and praying you guys have seen the haul video and also me finishing up painting the bathroom. Now guys, you know it's time for the decoration. But I got some few items that came in after I did this haul, which I will share that with you guys in this video. And then the next video you will see me decorating the bathroom, guys. Yes, the bathroom. The bathroom. So guys, let's go into Home Depot to pick up the rest of these light switches. So guys, follow me into Home Depot. Yep. Hello and welcome to Beautiful Creations.
I had a dream last night.
These are beautiful. Wow. And they are $31.98. They are so beautiful. Love those. Those are real. They are so beautiful. They got them in the pink, and they got them in the red, and they also have them in the white. Beautiful, beautiful. So let's go in here.
For being me, 'cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no. 'Cause these are dream rules. This is someone else, I'm not myself, no.
Okay, I got this one here that I think is a little too thick for that wall space, and I think what I want to do is I think I want to get this to go in that space. Get this one. because it can also be paintable too. Like that one. Yeah. So these are the switches. These ones here that I got right here that I changed out. So I want to get these. I'm going to get 2 of these. Yep, let me get 2 of these. I think it's will do me. Like that.
It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue. Those colorful eyes, they don't shine like they used to. The city don't want us, babe. We won't survive this place. The city don't want us. The city don't want us. And if I would lie and stay, it wouldn't feel the same. I won't lie. No, honestly, it doesn't feel like home. Like home. Home. Feel like home. A faded mind, so we stay blind. Oh, the city don't want us.
Okay guys, this is one of the lights I did. I just have to go back because I am going to repaint this hallway, but I installed this light switch here in the hallway, and yes, and the only thing I'm gonna do is I already got everything off of this wall, and you can see here that I put the whole fillers in. And what I'm gonna do is I will be going back and I will be sanding these off here. These are the spots here. And right here is one of my standing mirrors. Let me let you guys see it. And this is a Burlington find. And it was $21.99 from Burlington. And you can see here, this is how the mirror is. It is a 15 by 52 arch mirror, and I have it in a black finish. It will go on this wall here. Yes. So let me show you another one. And I also installed this one in my dining room. I didn't have to do anything with that. But yes, you guys. And this actually can be painted. It has the paint finish, but I am gonna leave it white. I'm gonna leave it white because it has that beautiful texture, that rugged texture on it. So yes, and I also did this one, guys. I did this one also, guys, at my front door, and I did it here because it was some marks around that. And this will also get repainted. And guys, if you can tell, This one has a LED light inside of it. You can't see it from the camera now, but these are the spots too that I will also be painting as well. And I also have the same kind of cover to go on this one as well. Yes, if you can see now, you can kind of see the light there with the LED light. And yes, guys, let me show you some other stuff that I did bought. I also got my curtains in to do my bathroom as well, guys, but I'm not gonna do a whole lot in the living room because remember, I have to get this living quarters, I have to get the carpet redone. But here in the living room that I have on the floor is a few things that I picked up from Burlington, which I thought was beautiful. This one has this is a picture, and it said about love, and it was $7.99. And I love this. It said, love bears all things, believe all things, hope all things, endure all things. Love never fails. That is 1 Corinthians 13, 7 and 8. And it says, do everything in love. Corinthians 16:14. I thought that was so very nice, guys. Real nice. And I also picked up a few things just to fill the bathroom up, like these frost picks, and there was 150 in those from Burlington. And I also got some dental floss, and it came in it's a 4-pack, and I also got from Burlington. It was $3.99, and these was $3.99 as well. And I also got some breath mist spray here, and there was $4.99. And I also got this little small lip care Vaseline, and it was $2.99. It came in a 2-pack. And also, I got this to go in the bathroom as well, and it was $8.99. I thought it was very cute. As well as this beautiful floral. And you know, guys, it's in a matte black as well. And this item was $7.99. I thought it was so cute, and I love this one. I was looking for it to be in a black, but it still would go with the aesthetic in the bathroom. This is the storage for my toilet brush and plunger. And this item was $12.99. I thought it was very cute to go in the bathroom to suit the needs. And I also got these. I got 2 of these washcloths here. It was a Weaver collection. It was $6.99. I got 2 of these, but I mainly got them for the white. I got 2 of those. Yes, I got 2 of those. And moving right along, I got this brush here, guys. This brush here, and it was a 2-in-1 brush. Very good, very durable. I love it. It comes lotion, CeraVe. I mainly got it for my grandson because he has eczema real bad. So I mainly got this just to keep for him whenever he comes over. And then, you know, you always need to have soap. Even though I use a lot of body wash, but it don't hurt to have soap in your home. You know, because some people, you know, they visit, they probably may love soap. So I got these, and these come 4-pack, and this one was $4.49, and I got 2 of them, but I got it in a different brand. This one here, I got it here, and it's also the same price. I got that as well. And guys, I got the Dove sensitive skin. This is also a body wash. I love Dove, so yes, I got this, guys. I thought yes. So guys, that's the end of the stuff that I purchased from Burlington. Yes. Okay guys, that is all of the haul that I have from Burlington. And you know that I did went to Home Depot on yesterday to get those remaining light switches there. But guys, check out when I go to decorate my beautiful, beautiful, beautiful bathroom. Yes guys. Oh, I love the items and everything that I have for my bathroom. So guys, I want you to stay tuned for the bathroom as I put it together. And I will be painting the hallway. I just have to do some sanding. So guys, wait for that video as well. And I'm thinking about painting that before I decorate the bathroom. What do you think, guys? Paint the hallway, decorate the bathroom. Paint the hallway, decorate the bathroom. You make the choice for me. And whatever you say, I will do. Thank you guys so very much for taking the time out to watch this short video. And guys, I love you guys. I am back. These are readers, guys. I will be going and getting glasses for my nearsighted vision. But anywho, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. Also, hit the notification bell so you will know when I am uploading new content, guys. Yes, new content is going on in the space. So guys, until then, be good or be good at it. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.